Hey guys, and welcome to another Etsy studio vlog. I thought I would start off the vlog with just showing you a little overview of my studio and all my Halloween decorations that I have set up around. I went a little bit crazy this year and put loads of stuff around the place. So I'm just going to go show you a few of the little bits. That's a little wine bottle that says Dead or Breakfast there, and a couple of these little witch boots that I have hanging on my drawers. So in my Etsy shop, I do custom press on nails, but I also do nails and I take clients as well in real life. So this is where I do both. I have my clients come here to this studio, which is in my house, and then I also do my press on nail orders here as well. So just giving you a little overview of the decorations. This lovely girl is sitting right behind me, so my clients get to look at her. She is gorgeous, ready for a night out in the town. And yeah, I just have a few little bits hanging around. Myself and my daughter decorated this room this year, so we went a bit crazy on it. So there is a little zombie crossing sign, and over here we have another little witch who is very dead, sitting beside the Glitter Bells products, minding those. But yeah, thank you so much if you clicked on this video. I am going to do a vlog of Etsy orders and press on nail orders. And yeah, so basically I got a really big order this week from one person. So they ordered 5 sets in one order, which is a really big order for me. So I'm going to get started on showing you those sets. First of all, what he did was he ordered 3 sets that he ordered before. So he's a repeat customer and he has ordered these 3 sets here before. So I'm not going to do those on camera as I did them fairly recently before. But he also ordered these 2 sets here, these burgundy, very on trend burgundy with rose gold foil. So I'm going to start off and jump in by doing a tutorial of those ones. So I'm going to pull out my press on nail stand and I'm going to pop my XXL tapered square tips and pull out Venalisa in the number 63. So this is a gorgeous burgundy red, and I'm going to do 2 coats of this. So I'm going to start off by painting on the first coat. I do find with Venalisa they are thick, they're pigmented, they're very, very pigmented products, but you do need to do thin coats so they don't wrinkle in your lamp. So I am just going to let you watch me do the first coat and I'll be back in a couple of minutes. I hope you're enjoying this vlog so far. Let me know in the comments if you have an Etsy shop or if you have a press on nail business. And if you do have an Etsy shop and you don't sell press on nails, let me know what you do sell down below. But also if you wanted me to make maybe a pros and cons video of selling press on nails on Etsy, I can totally do that as well. So once I have that second coat done, yeah, so I did the second coat off camera. It's basically the same thing again. It's the second coat of that colour, and then I put it in the lamp to cure, and once it comes out I'm going to do the transfer foil method. So some polishes do have a very sticky inhibition layer, and this transfer foil method works really well when they do. This Venalisa product does happen to have a very sticky layer when it comes out of the lamp. So I am just literally pressing down on the foil and pulling away, and then it transfers that foil perfectly onto the top of the nail. So very, very simple, but very effective. I'm just going to show you an up close here of the foil and the look that it gives. It's absolutely stunning and very, very easy. Like I said, some polishes don't have that sticky layer, but more than likely, most of them do. So once I have that done, then I'm going to grab my Beetles top coat and I am going to apply a good layer of top coat. Ever since I started using this, I really love it for press-ons, and it's my go-to now for press-ons. I use it for press-ons only, but I absolutely love it. It's just good and thick and it doesn't really run, so it's perfect. I'm always checking as well. You can see your line of light there. So my lamp is giving off a sheen reflection on those nails, and I'm just using that to make sure that it's not lumpy and bumpy and to make sure that there's no imperfections in it. I'm constantly kind of moving them around just to make sure that it's nice and even, because it's very easy just to plonk on your top coat, and yeah, it goes very lumpy and bumpy. So yeah, I'm always using my lamp to check out that. This is how they look after the top coat has been applied and they are all done. So because this customer ordered 5 sets for me, I really wanted to do a free set just to say thank you for the custom. So I went and I chose Autumn Aura from Madame Glam, which is a gorgeous kind of, I want to say beigey nude. I would describe it as beigey nude, but it is such a gorgeous colour. And then I also picked up this rose gold painting gel from Born Pretty. So I picked out the XXL stiletto tips because he has ordered 2 of those in previous orders as well. And I base coated them off camera, and I'm just going to go on and do a layer of Autumn Aura and this rose gold. So I actually did 2 layers of base coat, and the reason why I did 2 layers of base coat is I know that these colours are 1 coat coverage, and I knew that before I picked them. So in order to give a little bit of extra strength to the nails, I did 2 layers of base coat, and I'm just going to go in with 1 layer of colour coat. This is the beauty of the Madame Glam polishes. They are 1 coat coverage, mostly all of them are 1 coat coverage. Now I usually do 2 when I'm working on clients, but look at this is 1 coat, and on a press on it's perfect. So that is 1 coat, and then I'm going to pull out the Born Pretty Rose Gold, and again this is 1 coat coverage as well. So what I did was I grabbed my gel bottle ink, similar colour, and I used the brush for that. So instead of getting a gel paint brush out and having to dirty it and take out the glitter afterwards, I just pulled out my gel bottle ink brush because they're so near in colour that I didn't mind one contaminating the other. And I am just dipping it into the pot and I'm painting on this rose gold colour. So yeah, it's absolutely stunning, and I love these colours together. I kind of chose this as his free gift because in his other orders, it has been kind of fairly neutral sets he's ordered. So like the French tip, and you know, I know there was a glitter set in there, but I do have a lot of sets on Etsy that have nail art and stuff. And I noticed the sets that he has ordered have been kind of simple enough, if you know what I mean. So I just kind of wanted to add in a little bit of glitter, but not go crazy on designs or anything like that. So I really hope that he loves his free gift. And I hope he loves these colours together. I thought they were quite autumnal as well and good for this time of year. This is a set in its packaging at the end, and these were all the sets together. So this was his whole order. I'm so grateful for this order. I'm so grateful. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you in the next one.